Hello, friends, welcome to my How Do I Solve YouTube channel. Here I am going to show you 4 different ways to charge your AirPods Pro 2nd generation charging case. The new AirPods Pro 2 comes with MagSafe charging case, so it supports 3 wireless charging options and charge using Lightning connector as well. But let's do it with a hands-on test. And share which charging method you like to charge your AirPods and charging case in the comment section. The first official method is to charge using a Lightning connector. You can take power from Mac or PC USB port or direct wall plug. Just connect the AirPods charging case from the bottom charging port and get charging sound from the case. If you are not getting any sound from the case, then find the video tutorial on how to enable charging case sound on AirPods 2 from the top I button. Now, the second method is to charge using a MagSafe charger. Using your iPhone MagSafe charger, charge your AirPods Pro 2 charging case. Just place the AirPods on it and start the charging right away. This MagSafe fast charger charge your AirPods Pro at the ideal time. And the third method is to charge using your Apple Watch charging cable. Use your old or latest generation Apple Watch charging cable and place AirPods on the MagSafe charger. The charger automatically adjusts on the Apple Watch charger and start charging with sound. And the fourth method is to charge using QI certified charging station or charging pad. Just adjust your AirPods Pro at the center of the QI charging pad and start charging your AirPods Pro 2 MagSafe case. Make sure about that, there is no method to charge the left and right AirPod without the case. And I recommend to don't try it because Apple is not recommended the tricks to charge AirPods 2 without a charging case. Hope you enjoyed the tips to charge your AirPods Pro 2 using different charging techniques that Apple recommend. Now the important part of this video is how to check the AirPods Pro battery status on your iPhone. There are 3 different methods we can use. Let's see how to check it. To see the left, right, and battery case charging percentages. If both AirPods are in the case, then here you will show the charging status icon. The first easy method is to keep your AirPods near to your iPhone, which should be paired earlier with your iPhone. Now on the phone screen, you will see the pop-up with left, right, and charging case battery percentage. And the second method is to check it from the iPhone settings app. Open the settings app on your iPhone, and tap on AirPods name just below your Apple ID account name. And see the battery percentage for your AirPods. Now, the third method is to check it from the battery widget, which might in your iPhone home screen or lock screen. Here's my iPhone showing the battery percentage on the iPhone home screen widget. To set up and add the battery widget, refer to my earlier video from the top I button and video description. And another widget is also available on the iPhone lock screen in iOS 16 or later version. See my iPhone showing battery percentage but not in details. To add this battery widget, follow my video from top I button and video description. Also don't miss to subscribe for more update. Also, thumbs up, like, and share to support us.